Hi guys, welcome to the Grace Life. So today we have a haul. It's not a small one, it's not a huge one, but let's jump into the video. Okay, so at my Dollar Tree, I never seen these containers. I've seen the containers on YouTube, but I haven't seen them at my Dollar Tree. I saw them, I grabbed two, and they only had them in this one size. So I grabbed some of those. Then I absolutely love using the 11 by 14 canvas panels. So I grabbed 4 of these for a DIY. Okay. Now also at my Dollar Tree, I have seen people hauling these, but I never seen them at our Dollar Tree, and I saw these file, I don't know, they're letter files, what are they called? It just says paper basket in gold. So I grabbed them to organize my paperwork with, and I think these are absolutely gorgeous. I love those. Okay, so I was waiting a long time for the pearls. Guys, I was waiting a long time for the pearls because I use a lot of pearls. So I grabbed, this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, so I grabbed one bag of the 12 millimeter ones. These were probably the only bag they had because I would have grabbed more. And then the large ones, which are 14, I hope I'm saying that right, milliliters. I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for crafts. So, yeah, you gotta stock up on this stuff when they have it because you never know. Oh, and I got my son 2 energy drinks. These are the Rockstar ones, Pure Zero, so he's happy about that. Okay, so I grabbed 2 of these candles, these silver ones. Okay, these are really pretty. Then in the party section, I grabbed a pack of these plates here. These are called salad plates, and they're in a pack of 6. And then the regular silver metallic ones, and these are 24. In the party section because I really like that color. Then guys, look at this. I absolutely love these chargers. These are beautiful. So I grabbed 2 for a DIY. They're absolutely gorgeous. They stocked up again on these candle holders, and I grabbed a few. Let's see how many I got. I think I got like 5. So here's 3. And I did stop at Walmart, so I have a small bag from there. You know, in the nail section, they had these silicone fingers that you use to soak your nails. These caps. And I figured I'd try this. That looks pretty neat. I get my batteries from there too. So I grabbed 2 packs of the Panasonic batteries. And I couldn't leave there without getting my avocado keychain. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 candle holders because we were out for the longest time, and when I need them for a craft, I didn't have them, and I started using other things, and so I just grabbed 6. Now I went back and I got 1 package of the crushed glass in that seafoam green color. I really like that color. And I did also grab it in this very pale pink. I'm not sure how that's going to work out. I'm going to try that. I've just been in love with the green, but I'm going to try that pink. And then I grabbed another package of the silicone fingers for crafting. And every time I go now, I've been using these glue sticks for my glue gun, and they're pretty good. I don't really have any complaints about them, so I didn't think they were going to stick that well, but they work okay. And then I grabbed Wet n Wild nail polish in the black. Well, it's got to have nail polish, guys. Okay, so I stopped at Walmart because I needed a good pair of scissors. These are Westcott, but I'm going to give these a try. They were about $8 in Walmart, so I just grabbed it because I need a good pair of scissors. Then I get my glitter from there when they have it. Their whole craft section was like blank. So I grabbed some black glitter. And then I grabbed one of these Time and True watches. I grabbed one of those. Really pretty for $8.88. And then their leggings are like $4.44. So I just grabbed myself a pair because they're very comfortable to wear. So that's what I got, guys. Usually I don't show a lot of the personal stuff, but again, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.